theme is dealing with the global ecology. And in this context, the forests are very important because forests are absorbing carbon and producing biomass for different purposes, but also for the biodiversity, which is very important nowadays and especially in the future. But we can also say at the same time that the forests are a very important resource for us because it's a renewable resource and we can use it forever if we are managing in the proper way. I would like to very much emphasize that forest has many phases. It's a resource for the production industry, but it's also very important for the natural conservation. And this is very interesting and very challenging task for the forest research, but also the practical foresters and forestry. If we build more wooden houses, then we can avoid to use the concrete. And we very well know that the carbon emissions from the concrete, they are very, very massive. And I think that forest policy is becoming more and more important, and especially if we would like to conserve the forest resources and forest ecosystems in the world and also utilize forests, for example, in sequestering carbon and in this way to try to reduce these emissions. But it's also very interesting and challenging that foresters, they are really working in the surface where the different disciplines are meeting each other. So you must try to understand these ecological, economic, technological and social sciences, which are all of them, they are contributing when we are solving these problems which are associated to forestry. In this area, I discuss quite detail the management regimes and management operations, and in such a way that we have a long-term tradition how to apply them in a sustainable way. But world is very much changing now. The timber and biomass is very important for the industry, but at the same time we must also consider the conservation of the nature, and in this context the carbon sequestration is very important.
Forest Biofacts. Everything you need to know about forest-based products and technologies.